Do you want to attract and engage your clients with exciting free giveaways? In this video, I will show you how a giveaway form collects valuable customer information while creating buzz around your new products or services. So get ready to captivate your audience and personalize your marketing campaigns. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more useful content, and let's get started. Alright, so let's begin. Let's go to the Formula dashboard and open the templates gallery. In the search bar, let's search for giveaway survey. Today, let's use this one. Great, now we can see the editor page and the menu on the left where we can drag and drop to add different fields and options to your form. You can also remove fields and rearrange the order of your fields by simply using the drag and drop. As you can see, this form contains 2 single choice fields to gather information. Here you can change the title, and here is where you can customize the text and add images to further personalize your form. In the success message after submit, you can change the text, add links and images if you wish to. Awesome, now let's go to the design tab. Here you can change the look of your form by, for example, changing the theme and colors of your form, change the font. You can also change the background image and even customize the text on the buttons and messages. Now let's scroll to the top, and here, as you can see, this is a multi-step form, which means all questions will be shown on multiple pages, and with the single step form option, all the questions are shown on a single page. Now here in the notifications tab, you can enable this option to get a notification every time someone submits your form, and add another email for your team to forward the same notification to. Pretty cool, right? Once you're done customizing your form, you can embed it to your website, and to do so, click Save and Use in a website. Here you can choose to use it as an iframe, script, widget, or chatbot. Simply copy the code Formula gives you and paste it to your website, and it starts to work right away. You can also automate your marketing processes by integrating Formula with your favorite tools using Zapier. Like, for example, sending follow-up emails to your form submitters. If you're interested on how to use this, I've left a video for you to check out in the top right corner of this video. And there you have it! Now you can create your own giveaway form and customize it to your liking. This form is great for businesses of all sizes and industries to generate leads, increase brand awareness, promote new products or services, build trust, and segment their audience. You can sign up at Formula for free, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Happy formulating!